Hi all, welcome back to our channel Cosmo Food. So today let's prepare everybody's favorite spring roll where we are going to use Maggi as a filling. So after watching this recipe, khana banana should not be a bahana. Now let's quickly start with the recipe of Maggi spring roll. For this, kindly note down the ingredients that has been displayed. Firstly, to begin with the outer cover or the sheet, we are going to take maida in a bowl and add some salt in it. Now let's knead the flour with some water. We are going to put water little by little in it so that we get the right dough. Once you knead this properly, we are going to add lastly some oil in it. Now again knead this or mix it properly, and as you can see we get a very soft dough like this. Cover this and keep it aside for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we are going to prepare the filling. Let's put some butter in the pan and let's toss some veggies in it. Here I'm putting some green chilies, some beans, carrot, onion and capsicum. Toss these veggies properly in the butter until it is cooked properly. Once tossed, we are going to add chili flakes, pepper and salt. Lastly, add some soya sauce in it. Mix this also well. As you can see, this is mixed well. We are going to add Maggi noodles into it now. Now let's add some water. Don't put a lot of water into it because it will turn soggy. So put water little by little. Now let's add some Maggi masala into it and mix everything well. Now let's cover the lid until it is cooked well. And once cooked, let's remove the lid and here it is, our filling is ready. Now let's start preparing the cover or the sheet. I have taken small ball of dough and I have covered it with some maida. Now let's roll them into small chapatis. It should be this thick. Similarly, I'll prepare more too of these and keep it aside. Now we are going to take one by one the chapatis and we are going to apply some oil on it. Do put generous amount of oil on it so that it doesn't stick. Similarly, I'm coating the second one with the oil. And the third one, keep it as it is. Now on the greased chapatis, I'm going to sprinkle some maida on it. Once done, keep placing the chapatis one by one above each other. Now arrange this properly so that we can roll it again. Sprinkle some more maida on both the sides so that while rolling it doesn't stick. Roll this again into a very fine sheet. After rolling, it should be this thin. Now on the heated pan, we are going to roast this for 10 seconds each from both the sides. Once it is roasted from one side, just flip it and roast it from other side for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we are going to remove the sheet. As you can see, it is properly made, and now we are going to separate the three sheets from one another. By using this technique, we are going to get a very thin sheet as we get in the market. And here our sheets are ready. Now we are going to add filling in between it. Put generous amount of it. To this you can also add some cheese. Now this is optional. Once you add the cheese, now we are going to cover this. As you can see, I'm going to fold the sides first. Now apply some maida slurry. Slurry is prepared by adding maida and some water in it. This slurry will help us to stick the sheet properly. Apply some more slurry in the end and now roll it again. This is how we prepare the rolls. I have prepared the other rolls as well in the similar manner. Now it's time to fry them. I'm placing the spring rolls in the medium hot oil. We're going to fry this till it gets crispy from both the sides. Once it turns brown on one side, just flip it and fry it from the other side. As you can see, they have fried well from both the sides. We are going to remove it out. Now here it is, our crispy spring rolls are ready to eat. I hope you all have enjoyed this delicious recipe. If you all have enjoyed, do try this recipe at your home and let us know your view in the comment. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.